Today, I will demonstrate how to activate car mode on Spotify. To begin, access your device's settings and locate the Bluetooth option. Enable Bluetooth and connect to your car's Bluetooth device. Once connected, close the settings and launch the Spotify app. Ensure you are logged into your account. On the Spotify home page, click on your profile icon located at the top left corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Within the Settings page, navigate to the Car option and click on it. Enable the Keep Spotify Open option. Finally, click on Setup Car Thing and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once completed, any music you play on Spotify will automatically play on your car's audio system. By following these steps, you can easily activate car mode on Spotify and enjoy your music while driving.